a, an, and the. When to use articles. A. What are articles in English grammar? When should I use them? Articles define a noun as specific or unspecific, definite or indefinite, countable or uncountable. Let's look at when to use them. When and how to use articles that are specific and unspecific. After the long day, I needed a cup of tea. In this example, we were specific about the day. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted really good. Now let's look at it in more detail. Definite article. The definite article is the. The can be used with plural, singular, or uncountable nouns. The noun is limited to one thing. For example, your friend may ask you, "Are you going to the baby shower this Friday?" The definite article refers to a baby shower that both you and your friend know about. So here are more examples. Could you give me the book? Could you give me the small book? The other book is too heavy. Please give me the camera. It's the only one I have. Please give me the camera and the small book. The indefinite article, a and an. The indefinite article refers to a general idea and not a particular thing. We use a and an for singular nouns. We also use a before a consonant word and an in front of a vowel or vowel sound word. Example 1, should I bring a gift to the baby shower? Your friend will understand that the gift is not a specific item. Example 2, I'm going to bring an apple tart. Example 3, my father is an honest man. Honest has a vowel sound. Example 4, he is a United States Senator. United is a consonant sound. Articles before an adjective. Article modifying a noun. So the order is usually article plus adjective plus noun. Example 1, Stacy will bring a small gift to Beth's baby shower. Example 2, he heard an interesting story last night. And was used because the adjective started with a vowel. Indefinite article with uncountable nouns. So, countable versus uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. Liquid, hair, rice, wind. A and an are not to be used with uncountable nouns. Consider the following examples. So this is incorrect. Please give me a rice. Rice is uncountable. The correct way would be, please give me rice. Another example, incorrect. Please play a music. Music is uncountable. The correct way would be, please play music. Another incorrect example, give me an ice. Ice is uncountable. And the correct form is give me ice or give me some ice. Now it's your turn to practice. Use a, an, or the, or none if the sentence does not need an article. Let's go. Could you answer phone? The answer is the. Could you answer the phone? Did we ever get answer from Mary? The answer is an. Did we ever get an answer from Mary? There's a program on TV today that I would like to watch. The answer is A. There's a program on TV today that I would like to watch. Train from Los Angeles is just pulling into station. The answer is the and the. The train from Los Angeles is just pulling into the station. Can you please get Bimbo wheat bread and milk when you go shopping? The answer is the. Can you please get the Bimbo wheat bread and milk when you go shopping? Remember, the here is really specifying what brand, what kind of bread. Everyone has to have insurance. The answer is none. Everyone has to have insurance. It does not need a, an, or the. I've just had idea. The answer is an. I've just had an idea, or I have just had an idea. We are planning to go on hike this weekend. The answer is A. We are planning to go on a hike this weekend. Can I get information from you? The answer is the. Can I get the information or the information from you? Italy is wine is taxed as food. The answer to that is none and none. In Italy, wine is taxed as food. I hope that this helped you, and if you got all of them right, yay! And if you didn't, then you just need to look over the explanation and make sure that you have a clear understanding of when to use articles. Trust me, this will help you in the long run. Thanks, and see you soon.